Замки.
Hello everybody, these are Dierre new power locks. This is a tool. In terms of opening percentage, it gives about 80–90% of opening. Here I have them lying on the table. They are all opened. Here there is only one that does not want to be opened yet, that is, the opening percentage is very high. And a video instruction on how to use the tool will be in the set with the tool. Therefore now I'm showing only the opening itself. Opening is half by force. Well, as by force, that is, we give a little load. We work with the rocking and give a little load. This is not a power key, but a little, let's say, we damage the lock just a little. We start slowly and then jerk harder and harder. Be sure to press in. The lock opened quickly. Well, it had already been opened before. If the lock had already been opened with a tool, then further, if you open it a second or third time, it will open much faster. After this, the key sometimes even has to be hammered in a little, but it usually works. Not always, but usually works. So it was Dierre New Power. The price of the tool you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.